made bagels. I'll link the recipe down below, but to be honest, I think all the recipes are like the same on the internet. And I just like looked at the first one. And it was really easy. 10 out of 10 would recommend. It was really good. Okay.
These are gonna be your ingredients. We got flour, activated dry yeast, light brown sugar, and then we have some everything but the bagel, poppy seed, and regular sugar.
Step was to mix half a cup of warm water and or 2 teaspoons of the activated dry yeast and 4.5 teaspoons of sugar. And this will like activate the yeast. I don't really know the science behind it. We let this like really ugly looking thing sit for 5 minutes. Our flour, salt, and we're gonna combine them and make a little well in the center to add in our yeast water. She is combined. We are gonna make a little well in the center, and the easiest way I found to do that is just to do like a little, this method. I don't really know if that's a method, but it works, so. So, you have to knead the dough. I know, look, right? You have to knead it for 10 minutes. And I had to add a lot more water than I thought I would. But, I mean, it's fine because you end up with, like, it's supposed to look like elastic. And that looks pretty good to me. So that's her looking super cute and lovely. And now we're gonna put on some oil and let her rest for a while. And I'm kind of just gonna estimate. We don't do measurements here. You're supposed to coat it. Let's do a little more. And just cover the whole thing. Now that she's nice and oiled up, we're going to just put a damp. I just ran it under the sink and wringed it out a bit, and then we just cover it and be back in an hour. So next, you're going to divide your dough into 8 pieces. I recommend using your sister so you can have a snack. Next, you just punch a hole through the balls with your thumb and then create a little ring trying to spread it out. Now that you have these kind of really ugly looking donuts, you are gonna put on a pot of water to boil. Now that your water is boiling, gonna uncover that bad boy. And we're gonna put in, I think, 4 bagels at a time. Or maybe 2, that looks like. And you let it boil 1 minute on each side. Now we have our boiled bagels, 1 minute on each side. You have to egg wash the top of them. I know they look really good. So that your seasonings are gonna stay. And we're doing everything bagel, poppy seed, we're doing some sesame, and we're gonna do a rosemary one. We have all of our bagels, and they're ready to be put in the oven. And they cook for 20 to 25 more minutes. Okay, but like, these look so good. I'm really proud. They kind of look a little funky, but I think it gives them a little flavor, a little fun.